Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we'll be using Celebration of Tags, and this is a sweet little card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using Celebration of Tags, and we're going to be using It's Your Day right here. And I have a piece of Petal Pink, and then I have our stamp mounted on clear block 8I. I'm going to come in with my gray granite, and I'm only using the bottom one, so I'm not going to ink up the entire stamp. So just like that. I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Cut and Emboss. And then I have the coordinating die. And we'll run that through. And I'll put that to the side. And we have this. So I have a piece of the PEONY Garden Designer Series paper, and this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Seal. And then I have a piece of gray granite cardstock, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. So just like that. Next, I have the silver metallic edged ribbon. And I'm just going to cut a piece of that. And I'm just going to come in with some regular old tape. So just like that. Put some more adhesive down on our mat. And then our card base is Whisper White Thick, and it is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I scored it at 4 1/4. So just like that. I'm going to come in with some Stampin' Dimensionals, and I'm going to put 2. Just like that. Next, I have the Elegant Faceted Gems. And I'm going to get one of these smaller ones, and I'm going to cover up that hole there. And then 2 large ones. Like that. Let me go ahead and put 2 more large ones in each corner. So, just like that, a quick and simple card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!